Welcome to Dad's Daily 101. Your go-to destination for health tips, beauty secrets, and better living hacks that make life easier and healthier.
Today, we are diving into a bunch of beauty tips that make you charming and confident. For soft, hydrated lips, apply a mixture of lemon juice, honey, and milk daily. No more dryness, just smooth, nourished lips. To achieve a radiant glow, apply a face pack made of 2 spoons of carrot pulp and 1 spoon of honey. Let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing off for naturally glowing skin. Exfoliate and remove dead skin cells by mixing equal parts of jackfruit juice and lemon juice with a pinch of wheat flour. Massage this mixture onto your face and neck for 30 minutes to reveal fresh, smooth skin. For a bright and refreshed complexion, blend 3 spoons of potato pulp with 1 spoon of egg white and honey. Apply it to your face, and after 30 minutes, gently massage with wet hands to enhance your skin's radiance. To combat dry skin, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil with half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Massage onto your face and hands for 15 minutes to restore moisture and leave your skin feeling soft and supple.
Subscribe now and join our community for daily tips and tricks to glow inside and out. Because you never know which tip will come in handy at any given time. So click on that bell icon to turn on notifications. See you in next video.